In this video, let's talk about the random function. So let's first use the random component. And this random component has three inputs. The first one is 0 to 1, which is domain of the random number. And let's just see by default what the function gives us. It's a random number between 0 and 1, which is defined here. You can change the range where the random function draws value from by change the domain of this input. In this case, 0 to 10. So you can see that the output is a value between 0 and 10. The second input is the number of random values. Let's say if we want 5 random values, then this would create you 5 random values between 0 and 10. The last input is the seed. The purpose of the seed is for reproducible results. For example, if this component is truly random, then whenever I use this random component to create a list of numbers, and you do the same, there is no way you can match the same values because it's truly random. But with the seed, if I set the seed to number 2, for example, I can set this to any value. If I set the seed to 35 and you set the seed to 35 with all the same inputs, we should have exactly same values. And if I set that to number 6, and you set to number 6, you should have the exact same numbers as I do too. So with the seed, it's not truly random, but it is reproducible. Another function in Grasshopper that is similar to random is to shuffle the order of a list of items. That is called a jitter in Grasshopper. By default, there are 3 inputs. So let's create a list of values. By default, this gives us 10 numbers from 0 to 9. If I want to shuffle the order of the list, I can plug in to the list option. By default, the list of numbers should be shuffled without any overlap in values. And the second input jitter is from 0 to 1. 0 means no shuffling at all. 1 means complete shuffling. So you can have a degree of shuffling as you wish. So 0.1 is a little bit, maybe. And as you increase the strength, and the shuffling is more and more random. The third input is the seed, which is the exact same function as you do in the random component.